Crystals. They sparkle and gleam, captivating us with their natural beauty. But these wonders of the earth are more than just pretty decorations. For centuries, crystals have been prized for their potential to enhance energy and promote well-being. But what exactly are crystals? Crystals are solid materials with a unique internal structure. Their atoms are arranged in a repeating pattern, creating a beautiful and harmonious lattice. This organized structure is what sets crystals apart from other rocks and minerals, giving them their distinct properties. Crystals form deep within the earth over millions of years. They are born from intense heat, pressure, and a touch of magic. This incredible journey imbues them with powerful energies that can influence our own. The use of crystals in homes dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations recognized the power of crystals and incorporated them into their daily lives. The Egyptians, for example, used lapis lazuli for protection and turquoise for good luck. In ancient China, jade was highly valued for its ability to bring prosperity and harmony. It was often carved into intricate shapes and placed in homes to attract good fortune. Crystals were not just decorative elements, they were considered powerful tools for enhancing well-being. Today, the use of crystals in homes is experiencing a resurgence in popularity. People are rediscovering the ancient wisdom of crystals and incorporating them into their homes to promote peace, love, and abundance. Crystals are believed to interact with the subtle energies in our environment. These beautiful natural formations have been used for centuries in various cultures for their perceived healing properties. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. This includes the objects around us, the air we breathe, and even our own bodies. Crystals, with their stable and ordered structures, can help to harmonize and balance these energies. Their unique molecular makeup allows them to resonate with different frequencies, creating a sense of equilibrium. Think of it like tuning a musical instrument. When the instrument is out of tune, the sound is jarring and unpleasant. Similarly, when the energies in our environment are out of balance, it can lead to discomfort and disharmony. But when it is in tune, the music flows harmoniously. The same principle applies to our living spaces. When the energies are balanced, we feel more at peace and in sync with our surroundings. Crystals work in a similar way, helping to fine-tune the energies in our homes. By placing them strategically, we can enhance the flow of positive energy and reduce negative influences. Each type of crystal has its own unique vibrational frequency, which gives it specific properties. For example, clear quartz is known for its ability to amplify energy, while rose quartz is often associated with love and emotional healing. Some crystals are calming and soothing, like amethyst, which is often used to promote relaxation and restful sleep. Others, like citrine, are energizing and uplifting, perfect for spaces where you need a boost of vitality. By choosing the right crystals for your home, you can create a space that supports your well-being. Whether you seek tranquility, energy, or emotional balance, there's a crystal that can help you achieve your desired atmosphere. Amethyst, with its beautiful purple hues, is a popular choice for promoting serenity and intuition. It is a stone of peace and tranquility, helping to calm the mind and ease stress. Amethyst is also believed to enhance spiritual awareness and intuition. Place amethyst in your bedroom to promote restful sleep and vivid dreams. You can also keep it in your meditation space to deepen your practice and connect with your inner wisdom. Amethyst is a gentle and calming stone, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Its soothing energy can help to create a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere in any home. Rose quartz, with its soft pink glow, is known as the stone of love and compassion. It is believed to open the heart chakra, promoting feelings of love, forgiveness, and self-acceptance. Place rose quartz in your bedroom to attract love and harmony into your relationships. You can also keep it in your living room to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere for family and friends. Rose quartz is a gentle and nurturing stone, helping to heal emotional wounds and promote feelings of peace and well-being. Its loving energy can help to create a more harmonious and compassionate environment in your home. Citrine, with its sunny yellow hues, is a stone of abundance and joy. It is believed to attract wealth, prosperity, and success. Citrine is also a powerful cleanser and regenerator, helping to clear negative energy and promote positivity. Place citrine in your home office to attract abundance and success in your career. You can also keep it in your wallet or purse to attract wealth and prosperity. Citrine is a cheerful and uplifting stone, helping to brighten your mood and attract positive opportunities into your life. Its vibrant energy can help to create a more joyful and abundant atmosphere in your home. Now that you know about some popular crystals for the home, you might be wondering where to place them for the best results. The placement of crystals can significantly influence their effectiveness and the energy they bring into your space. Here are a few tips to help you get started with placing your crystals in the most beneficial spots around your home. Entryway. Place protective crystals like black tourmaline or obsidian near your front door to ward off negative energy. This creates a protective barrier, ensuring that only positive vibes enter your home. Living room. Use crystals like rose quartz or clear quartz in your living room to promote harmony and communication. These crystals can help create a warm and inviting atmosphere, making it easier for family and friends to connect and share. Bedroom. Place calming crystals like amethyst or selenite in your bedroom to promote restful sleep and relaxation. These crystals can help reduce stress and anxiety, creating a peaceful environment conducive to a good night's sleep. Home office. Use crystals like citrine or pyrite in your home office to attract abundance and success. These crystals can enhance your focus and motivation, helping you to achieve your professional goals. Meditation space. Place crystals like amethyst or clear quartz in your meditation space to enhance your practice and connect with your intuition. These crystals can help deepen your meditation, making it easier to reach a state of inner peace and clarity. Remember, these are just suggestions. Trust your intuition and place your crystals where they feel right to you. Your personal connection with the crystals is what truly matters, so feel free to experiment and find the perfect spots for them in your home. While the use of crystals for healing and energy work has been practiced for centuries, it is important to note that the scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited. The effects of crystals are often subtle and difficult to measure with traditional scientific methods. However, many people believe that crystals interact with the subtle energy fields that surround all living things. These energy fields, often referred to as auras or chakras, are thought to influence our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of crystals, many people find that incorporating crystals into their lives brings a sense of peace, balance, and well-being. Working with crystals is a personal journey. It's about connecting with these natural wonders and discovering which ones resonate with you the most. As you begin to explore the world of crystals, pay attention to how different crystals make you feel. Do you feel a sense of calm and peace when you hold amethyst? Do you feel your heart chakra opening when you hold rose quartz? Trust your intuition and choose crystals that align with your energy and intentions. Remember, crystals are tools that can support your well-being. They are not a magic cure-all, but rather a complement to a holistic approach to health and happiness. Ready to embark on your crystal journey? Whether you're drawn to their beauty, their energy, or their potential to enhance your life, crystals can be a wonderful addition to your daily routine. Here are a few tips for beginners. First, start small. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the vast array of crystals available. You don't need a huge collection of crystals to get started. In fact, starting with just a few can help you focus and understand their unique properties better. Choose a few that resonate with you and your intentions. Spend some time researching their meanings and uses. Second, cleanse your crystals. Crystals absorb energy from their surroundings, which can affect their effectiveness, so it's important to cleanse them regularly. This helps to reset their energy and remove any negative vibrations they may have picked up. You can do this by placing them in sunlight or moonlight, which can recharge their natural energy. Smudging them with sage or Palo Santo is another effective method. The smoke from these herbs can purify the crystals. Or you can rinse them under running water, which is especially good for crystals that are not water sensitive. Third, set intentions. When you first get a crystal, take some time to hold it in your hand and set your intentions for it. This helps to align the crystal's energy with your personal goals. Take a moment to meditate and visualize what you want to attract into your life. This could be anything from love and abundance to protection and healing. What do you want to attract into your life? What energy do you want to cultivate? Be clear and specific with your intentions. Lastly, be patient. Working with crystals is a process, and it may take time to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't notice immediate changes. Working with crystals is a process, and it may take time to see results. Be patient and consistent in your practice. Be patient, trust the process, and enjoy the journey. Remember, the journey with crystals is as important as the destination. Be patient, trust the process, and enjoy the journey. Each step you take brings you closer to understanding and harnessing the power of crystals. Most importantly, have fun with it. Let your intuition guide you, and don't be afraid to experiment. Exploring the world of crystals can be a joyful and enriching experience. Enjoy the process of discovering new crystals and learning about their unique properties. Crystals offer a unique and beautiful way to enhance the energy in your home. Whether you're drawn to amethyst for its calming energy, rose quartz for its loving vibrations, or citron for its abundance-attracting properties, there's a crystal out there for everyone. As you incorporate crystals into your home and life, remember to approach them with an open mind and heart. Trust your intuition, experiment with different crystals, and discover the magic that these natural wonders have to offer. Crystals, with their ancient wisdom and gentle power, can help you create a home that is not only beautiful, but also filled with positive energy, love and harmony.